Hi, today I'm going to show you how to put together the Chowki table. The Chowki has 4 parts. You'll see that there's a table surface, a bending board which is attached to the table surface with a screw, and 2 identical legs. There's no difference between these guys. To put it together, orient the tabletop so that the bending board is opposite from you, away from you. And then on your right side, grab a leg and have the legs facing away from you. There are 2 slots on the legs that go over these 2 tabs. There's a large side to the slot, and that's where the tab can fit in. Might require a little bit of popping, but it goes in quite nicely. Once you've done that, then push down on it to get it into position. Push it down until it doesn't go any further, and you're there. Now, rotate the table, so again, you're working on your right side, and grab the other leg and do the exact same thing. See there how it sometimes pops in? That's just fine. Now I push down and it's tight. Now I'm going to orient the table so it's upside down, and we're now going to be putting the bending board into position, which is here. To put it into position, we're going to need to be bending up both sides and then rotating it and then popping it down into its slots. It's important that you do it both sides at the exact same time or it won't work. So I would recommend kind of positioning the table like this with my knees so that it doesn't rotate on you. And then carefully work your fingers underneath, and then use your thumb to guide and lift it just high enough to get it above the surface there. Now you can rotate it in, push it down, and then you're done.